Hi everyone, I'm Alex, and I've been a long-time enthusiast of desktop manufacturing and CNC technology. Today I'm introducing a product known as a true desktop industrial powerhouse, the Topfab TF500 desktop 5-axis AI-CNC. You may not be familiar with the Topfab yet, but behind it is TopNC, a company with nearly 20 years of expertise in 5-axis CNC technology, serving industries such as aerospace, automotive, medical, and mold manufacturing. Last year, TopNC launched the world's first manufacturing-focused vertical large motor and won the WAC Sale Award, recognized as one of the world's top AI achievements. Topfab continues to evolve in three key directions: lighter, smarter, and more precise. Today, we are taking a closer look at their upcoming 5th generation product, the 3D Fabricator. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The thick cardboard box and protective foam provide solid protection, helping prevent bumps and damage during shipping. Let's unbox it step by step, starting with the main unit, then the accessories. Now that the unboxing is complete, let's go through the accessories. Here is the main unit. These are the core tools included in the standard package, along with the internal hex screws, a cleaning brush, and 4 wood sample blocks. And here are the maintenance tools, designed for daily operation and routine upkeep. And this is the complete TF500 machine. It measures 600 by 500 by 500 millimeters and weighs 75 kg. Topfab has reduced the machine weight from nearly 200 kg down to 75 kilos through 4 generations of product evolution. The machine features a fully enclosed safety structure. The front protective door helps contain dust and debris, while also improving operational safety. There are ventilation openings on the side. At the rear are the connection ports, and the overall layout feels clean and thoughtfully designed. Now let's take a look at the key components. First, this is the 7-inch touch console. It's responsive, easy to use, and feels just like operating a tablet. Next is the 8-tool auto tool changer. With built-in smart tool recognition, it can identify and switch tools automatically, enabling fully hands-free machining. Here we have the binocular vision camera. It automatically recognizes the workpiece and enables visual positioning, so there is no need for manual calibration. The Spindle uses a semiconductor cooling system. Later, we'll test both the noise level and temperature performance. And this is the automatic safety door. It closes automatically during machining, helping prevent chips and debris from flying out. At the bottom, the anti-slip feet keep the machine stable on the desktop with minimal vibration. A lot of desktop CNC machines claim to be 5-axis, but many of them are actually 3+2 positioning systems, which means they cannot move all 5 axes simultaneously. The TF500 is different. This is true synchronized 5-axis machining. X, Y, and Z linear axis combined with A axis, minus 110 degrees to plus 110 degrees rotation, and the C axis, plus or minus 360 degrees rotation, all moving together in real time. What you're seeing now is real 5-axis motion. Complex surfaces and multi-angle cutting can be completed in a single setup without repeatedly flipping the workpiece. That means higher precision and better efficiency. Traditional 3-axis machines can only handle simple flat machining. 4-axis machines can process multiple sizes, but for complex curved surfaces, true 5-axis machining is a completely different league. The machine supports a maximum workpiece size of a cylindrical part measuring diameter 120 mm by 100 mm in height. Let's test. Using a vernier caliper, we can see that the error stays within plus or minus 0.01 mm. That's industrial-grade precision, close to what you would expect from large industrial CNC machines. The Spindle is the heart of any CNC machine. The TF500 reaches up to 60,000 RPM, around 3 times faster than many typical desktop CNC systems. That means significantly higher machining efficiency. Now let's test the noise level. Even at full speed, the Spindle stays at just 50 decibels, quite enough for studios and home workspaces. Now let's check the temperature. Thanks to the semiconductor cooling system, the Spindle remains cool even after 10 minutes of continuous operation. One of the biggest highlights of the TF500 is its self-developed AI-CNC system, powered by the world's first manufacturing-focused vertical large motor, ready to use right out of the box. So even first-time users can get started with zero CNC experience. Take a look at this interface, AI Playground and Community.
On the left is the built-in model library with ready-to-use designs you can machine instantly. In the center, you have AI modeling and AI toolpath generation. On the right, you can adjust machining parameters. The whole system feels smooth and intuitive, almost like using a mobile app. No CAD skills, no G-code writing. Even first-time users can get started quickly. The TF500 also works with the desktop software Top Studio, allowing remote control machine monitoring and local machine simulation. You can even download toolpaths directly from the community, greatly improving the safety and ease of beginner-level machining. Of course, you can also program using third-party CAM software such as UG, PowerMill, Hypermill, or KTM. Now comes the most impressive feature. Let's try the photo-to-part workflow in real time. I'll take a photo of this small object, upload it to the TF500 AI system, and tap one-click AI modeling. The system automatically generates a 3D model, then creates a 5-axis toolpath with no manual setup needed. As you can see, the model is ready, and the toolpath has already been generated. Now I'll tap Start, and the machine begins machining automatically. Just a few minutes later, we get a finished part. This workflow is incredibly practical.
The TF500 supports a wide range of materials, whether it's metals such as stainless steel, aluminum, copper, or brass, plastics including acrylic and palm, wood, or even jade. It handles them with ease.
Thanks to the modular fixture system, clamping is quick and convenient, without constantly changing fixtures. Here you can see aluminum machining with a smooth surface finish. Here it's engraving wood with fine detail. It can even machine jade, making it ideal for artistic and creative projects. From soft materials to hard metals, the TF500 is built to handle it all.
Whether you're a maker creating sculptures and creative gifts, an engineer machining precision parts and custom tools, or a small workshop handling low-volume production, the TF500 adapts to your workflow.
It fits at home, in a studio, or inside a compact production warehouse. One machine, multiple applications, designed for creators, engineers, and small businesses alike. A lot of people ask, how does the TF500 compare with other desktop CNC machines? Let's look at the comparison chart. For precision, the TF500 delivers 0.005mm repeatability, while many comparable machines are closer to 0.1mm. For spindle speed, the TF500 reaches 60,000 RPM, while many others stay around 20,000 RPM. The TF500 also includes an 8-tool auto tool changer, compared with 6 tools on many competing systems. At 75 kilograms, it's significantly lighter and more desktop-friendly than many 130 kg alternatives. And for positioning, the TF500 uses visual auto alignment, while many systems still rely on a manual prop measurement. So, in precision, speed, smart workflow, and compact design, the TF500 is clearly ahead in several key areas. To sum it up, after today's 1-hour unboxing and hands-on test, the Topfab TF500 truly delivers as a next-generation desktop 5-axis AI-CNC, true synchronized 5-axis motion, plus or minus 0.005mm industrial-grade precision, a 60,000 RPM spindle, AI-powered workflow, broad material compatibility, and whisper-quiet 50 decibels operation. At the same time, it remains compact, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough for professional use.
Whether you're creating personal projects, building prototypes, or running low-volume production, the TF500 opens up entirely new possibilities for desktop fabrication. That's it for today's review, and see you in the next video.